Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
At issue is the absentee voting rights of Iraq and Afghanistan veteran Luis Segovia, a former Illinois resident who now lives in Guam with his Guamanian wife. Washington attorney Neil Weir, who was raised in Guam, argued Segovia's case before an Illinois federal court.
Because he moved to Guam or another territory, he is denied from being able to do that. And that kind of arbitrary classification of who gets to vote and who doesn't of these overseas voters, we're arguing is unconstitutional.
The Seventh Circuit ruled against him, and Weir has filed a motion asking the High Court to hear the case. He says while the question of Segovia's voting right is narrow, it has implications for Guam's right to vote for president.
A favorable decision in this case would be an important incremental step towards voting rights for all residents of Guam. And so we're working on efforts both inside and outside the courtroom to achieve voting rights for all the nearly 4 million U.S. citizens living in the territories. And this gets us an important part of the way there, but isn't something that addresses all of the questions about voting rights in the territories. That's going to require further political action.
Weir has the support of influential Senator Elizabeth Warren, who delivered an impassioned speech supporting the Segovia case during a congressional hearing 2 years ago.
More Americans never realize that territories actually are part of the United States and that there's some injustices that need to be resolved. And so we're working with leaders like Senator Elizabeth Warren and others in Washington to advance equality and voting rights for residents of Guam and other territories.
Weir hopes the Supreme Court decides to take the case before its next session in October. For Guam's News Network, I'm Nestor Lecanto.
Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.